Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you guys the most viral lip launches from Swiss Beauty. Swiss Beauty definitely hands down has to be one of my favorite affordable Indian makeup brands, and I'm so excited to have partnered up with Swiss Beauty for this video. If you are interested, then please continue watching. I'm gonna start with something that is all the rage right now. I'm talking about the Swiss Beauty Dip Tint Lip Oil. So these are basically one of those clear lip glosses that once you apply, reacts to your pH, becomes or gives that slightly pinky hue to the lip. And something that really sets this apart from different products in this category, for me at least, is that it actually also feels hydrating and nourishing on the lips, unlike some others which settle into the cracks, and once those wear off, you're left with very chapped, dehydrated lips. This one does not do that, which is why I'm able to use this so comfortably without thinking so much. You guys know I have really chapped, dry lips, perpetually dry lips. Like, I'm constantly applying lip balm and lip oils and things like that, so I don't have to think twice, and I'm very confident applying this. And another thing that I really appreciate about this is it does not turn like super rich pink immediately once you apply it. It takes a few seconds to develop the color, and even once it does, it's the most beautiful subtle pink, almost like you have nothing on but you have some color. I love the pinky hue that this one adds on the lips, so if you still haven't checked these out, you definitely should. Next up in my list has to be these gorgeous ultra pigmented bullet lipsticks from Swiss Beauty. These are their HD matte lipstick, and this, if there was a list of all the elite bullet lipstick, I think this one would be on top in that list for sure for me. So pigmented, 1/5 pigmentation, intense color payoff, and also the lasting power on these is quite good for a bullet lipstick. I mean, at least on me, these last for about 4 to 5 hours easily. I can even stretch these for a few more hours if I'm not eating super oily food. And these come in 30 shades, so you have a lot of options to choose from, and I'm sure everybody will find a shade for themselves. So definitely a banger from Swiss Beauty. I now have their Matte Cat Lip Crayon. These also come in 26 shades in total, and something that again I love about this is ultra pigmented, right? But it somehow gives a very pouty effect to the lip. I'm not sure how it does that. Maybe it's the ingredients in this, but I mean, you'll see in the swatches as well, the moment I applied it, my lips just felt juicy, plump, pouty, without of course a lot of shine and glossiness. Now these lip crayons, as opposed to the HD matte, has a very soft matte finish, not completely matte, and I think that's why it again looks very pouty. I've said that multiple times already, but it does, what can I say. And once you let these set completely, it barely transfers and moves. Again, very long lasting. These also on me last for about 4 to 5 hours. Again, if I'm having something extremely oily, then of course this will budge and move, but otherwise if I'm having normal ghar ka khana, this one lasts aram se 5-6 hours on me. So I now have their Hold Me Matte 12-hour Stay Liquid Lipstick with me. These also come in 30 shades. I really like the doe foot applicator on this. It just picks up the right amount of product, and it's very easy to like line your lips also with this. My only word of advice with this would be, if you are, new to liquid lipstick, or you've just started to apply liquid lipstick, new to makeup in general, avoid taking excess of the liquid lipstick. Make sure you have scraped out excess. There's just enough quantity, and then apply a light thin layer, and you will have the most comfortable feeling on the lips with these liquid lipsticks. And now that we have ventured into the liquid lipstick category, you can imagine that these of course are going to last you a long time on the lips. The shade I have with me right now is Bite Me Red. Such a stunning, gorgeous red. I mean, I'm not even into red, but the moment I put this on, I was feeling myself. I felt so confident, so bold. I mean, if you are into reds, check this out, Bite Me Red. Super gorgeous. Next up, I have their Pure Matte Lipsticks. This is how the bullet looks like. I love holding these for some reason. It's very bite-sized. These are not your 1/5 pigmentation, bold, rich color kind of lipsticks, but these are nice, slow, buildable satin matte finish, which, I mean, if I was just starting out with makeup, I wouldn't have the confidence to rock like a super bold, pigmented, rich color on my lips. At least I did not have the confidence back then when I started. So something like this would really come in handy, where I can do one layer and it would give like a sheer color on the lips, or I can build it up to a pigmentation like this. In fact, this is what I'm wearing right now. So comfortable on the lips. I have the shade Hazelnut. I mean, I've been recording for 30-40 minutes almost right now, and I can still feel the moisture on the lips. So these are very comfortable. If you don't like bullets, if you don't like the glossiness of lip gloss or lip oil, but you want something just in the middle, you know, not too matte, not too glossy, I think this is the one for you. Just keep in mind that these are not one swipe pigmentation. You will have to layer these on, but once you do, this is the kind of pigment you get. Absolutely beautiful. I now have something from my favorite category. Of course, you could have guessed it already. It has to be their wet gloss, their lip gloss. This is the Plump Up wet gloss, and these are not your, again, super pigmented rich lip glosses. These are nice sheer. They give a very nice sheer wash of color to the lips. Nothing too bold, nothing too intense, and the consistency is just in the middle. It's not too thin where it wears off immediately, nor is it too thick and goopy where it creates those strings. None of that happens. I actually really like the consistency of these, but I have the shade Brownie Point, which is a beautiful cool toned brown, and then I have Barely There 01, which is a nice light pink, very light pink. So I think if you are into that Kim K kind of lips, you can do like a nice dark brown lip and this in the center. I'm actually really into that kind of lip combo right now. I just do not have a dark lip liner right now in this house, but if I had one right now, I would have definitely done that lip combo with a dark chocolatey liner and then this gloss in the center. Match made in heaven. Also, these glosses come in 12 shades, so you have a lot of different options to choose from, and on me these last for about 2 to 2.5 hours, somewhere in the middle, and these leave your lips really nice and plump once they wear off, which again is so crucial to me. You guys already know. But yeah, that finishes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to Swiss Beauty's channel, click on the bell notification, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.